Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Ask yourself, if life gave you a fresh page today, what would you write on it? Most of us feel stuck at some point. Stuck in old habits, toxic circles, regrets we replay every night. But here's the truth, you're not stuck. You're just carrying too much from yesterday to walk into tomorrow. And today we're going to hit reset. Step 1, accept where you are. Don't run from it, don't sugarcoat it. Say it out loud. This is my reality and I'm ready to change it. You can't rebuild a house if you keep pretending the cracks aren't there. Honesty with yourself is the foundation for everything new. Step 2, clear the noise. Unfollow the accounts that drain you. Mute the people who only bring negativity. Delete the apps that steal your hours. A mind full of clutter has no space to create a new chapter. Step 3, win your mornings. Your first hour sets the tone for your whole day. Start small. Drink a glass of water before coffee, stretch for 5 minutes. Write down just one thing you want to accomplish today. You don't need a perfect routine. You just need one small win each morning. Step 4, forgive yourself. Stop carrying the guilt of yesterday's mistakes. You weren't supposed to know everything back then. You learned by falling. Forgive, let go, and use that lesson as fuel. Step 5, build a 90-day restart plan. Choose only 3 simple goals. 1 for your health, like a daily 20-minute walk. 1 for your work or studies, like finishing a course or saving a little money. And 1 for your personal growth, maybe journaling or reading. Focus on these 3 for the next 90 days. You'll be surprised how much can change in just 3 months. Restarting your life won't always feel good. You'll feel lonely when you step away from unhealthy friendships. You'll feel restless breaking old habits. That's not failure, that's growth. Discomfort means you're moving forward. Here's the key, don't wait to feel motivated. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. Show up even when it's boring. Do the workout even if it's just 5 minutes. Read the page even if it's just 1 page. Tiny actions repeated daily change your life more than big plans left undone. And finally, be kind to yourself. You're not starting over because you failed. You're starting over because you refuse to quit. Every scar, every setback has prepared you for this next chapter. If you've been waiting for a sign to restart your life, this is it. Close the distractions, take a deep breath, and take that first small step. Today, your new chapter begins the moment you decide to turn the page.